fantastic. I think, we've always been saying for the last couple of months, especially in the last 1 year, I think Indian cinema is doing fantastic. And what's even more exciting is like a film like PK crosses over and it makes the same kind of numbers that it does domestically. It's amazing, and I think it's a wonderful time for our films, and I think it's a huge example for all of us. And I think it gives us an understanding as to where we stand with Indian films globally. I want to know which paper you're talking about. Yes, I do. I'm deeply into yoga and meditation, and I'm someone who's always believed that it's very, very important to be physically active. So different things work for different people. There was a time when I did a lot of yoga. Now I do Pilates, but whatever it is in terms of exercise, I think it has to become a part of your lifestyle, and I'm fully for the new initiative. Yes, it's a part of a larger gag, so there's no need to blow it out of proportion. When you see the show a month later, you'll know what it's all about.
There is also reports that
I want to see these reports. I don't know what you're talking about. I can't again comment on what you're telling me because I don't know the full knowledge of this article or what is being said, so it would not be right to comment on it. Don't ask me these kind of questions where one thing is reported and don't make it embarrassing for people. Why you'll ask me such serious questions? We're here to have a party and to celebrate. Let's do that. Huh? I have a take on it. I definitely have a take on it. But I always believe that at these kind of events, it's not the right place to be commenting on things like this because sometimes things are misconstrued and reported very differently from what one is trying to say. So when we have more time to discuss things like this, I'll be more than happy to do it. I'll see the article, then I'll comment.
बहुत शुभकामनाएं। और हमारी जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है अभी इंटरनेशनली इतना कॉन्कर कर रही है, तो वी आर वेरी प्राउड। और आई थिंक दिस इज जस्ट द बिगिनिंग फॉर अस। अगर ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड हम लोगों की जितना कि एक अमेरिकन फिल्म के आज तक सुनने में आया था, उससे भी उस मुकाबले तक पहुंच रही है, तो आई थिंक इट्स कमेंडेबल। थैंक यू। मेरे पास तो है नहीं सिक्योरिटी। एवरी डे आई डू योगा एवरी डे। और मैं मेडिटेशन, प्राणायाम, आसनास आई डू एवरी डे।